This K&N Air Intake system is designed to increase vehicle power and acceleration by reducing restriction in the intake path. The 77-3023 KP Air Intake system is not legal for highway use in California or other states adopting California emission standards. This air intake system fits some Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Silverado 2500, Silverado SS, Sierra 1500, Sierra 2500, Sierra Denali, and Tahoe models ranging from 1999 through 2007. It also fits some GMC Yukon, GMC Yukon Denali, GMC Sierra 1500, GMC Sierra 2500, and Cadillac Escalade models ranging from 1999 through 2007. For detailed vehicle listings, see the K&N website or catalog. K&N power testing showed an estimated power gain of 14 horsepower at 4,897 RPM with this air intake installed on a 2003 Cadillac Escalade with a 6.0-liter engine. Actual results will vary depending on the condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. With the air intake installed, we ran the vehicle on the dyno to test the sound comparison versus the stock intake. The intake kit includes components that have been designed or matched to the needs of these vehicles to produce a safe horsepower increase. Detailed installation instructions are included with this kit. The tools needed for this install are shown. Turn off the ignition and disconnect the negative battery cable. Disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Loosen the hose clamps at the throttle body and at the mass air sensor. Unclip the radiator hose from the intake tube. Disconnect the stock intake tube from the mass air sensor and from the throttle body. Then remove the intake tube. Pull firmly upwards to remove the air cleaner assembly. Loosen the hose clamp on the air cleaner. Then remove the mass air sensor. Remove the two stock air cleaner support tray bolts. Install the rubber-mounted studs and tighten firmly. Using the provided hardware, assemble the mass air adapter, heat shield, gaskets, and the stock mass air sensor. Install the edge trim onto the heat shield. Install the heat shield onto the rubber-mounted studs. Secure the heat shield to the rubber-mounted studs using the provided hardware, but do not tighten at this time. Install the silicone angled hose and hose clamps onto the throttle body, but do not tighten at this time. Install the silicone step hump hose and hose clamps onto the mass air sensor and tighten. Install the K&N intake tube into the angled hose. Then slide the other end into the hump hose. Adjust everything for best fit and clearance. Then tighten the hose clamps. Tighten the hardware onto the heat shield. Install the K&N air filter onto the mass air adapter and secure with the provided hose clamp. Reconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection, then reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. It will be necessary for all K&N high-flow air intake systems to be checked periodically for realignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the instructions or proper maintenance may void warranty. This intake kit is not legal for highway use in California or other states adopting California emission standards. Check our website for up-to-date information on emissions legality for specific parts on specific vehicles and for a list of other CARB adoption states. K&N makes products for nearly every vehicle on the road. The K&N website allows you to search products by vehicle or dimension, download installation instructions, view dyno charts showing typical horsepower gains for this product, and view product details. For information on where to buy K&N products, go to knfilters.com.